What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you've seen my recent short upload, we got us a new project, and what I'm gonna do in this video, it's gonna be a little short one. I'm gonna show you what we got, and at the end of it, you're gonna be surprised at how much I paid for it. So let's get on out here and see what we got going on. Well, boys and girls, we're still gonna be working on the old EcoBoost, but here's the new project right here. This is a 1988 Laser bass boat with the Mariner 200 on it. And like I said, I picked this thing up, I think last week, and it needs a little work. A lot less than what I was expecting. So I mean, if you can tell, I've already taken the seats out. Gonna get new seats, cleaned up the inside. Gonna try to gel coat or clean the gel coat on the outside. So far, I've went through it. Motor turns over. I'll put a clip in there right here. Yeah, you're good. I mean, that was a major plus, especially for, like what I said, when I tell you how much I paid for this, I stole this boat. So, like I said, motor works, steering cable and all that linkage is good, transmission or shifter is good. Trolling motor, I have not tried yet, but will be by this weekend. Plan to have it in the water this weekend. So far, like I said, I've put a fresh battery in it. Everything works, all the electronics, the lights, the trim. This boat's got 4 trim switches. It's everything works. So we're gonna be diving into this in a couple videos. Like I said, don't worry, we're still gonna be working on the old EcoBoost. We're still gonna be doing stuff with that. The reason I got this boat is for my oldest daughter. She wanted to join the school bass fishing team. One of the perks is you have to have a boat. So did I use that against my wife to get a boat? Maybe. But now we have us a boat. So I said join in. We're gonna be putting some new seats in and stuff like that. If you have any tips or tricks on boats, because I'm really not too mechanically inclined on these. If you know anything about them, especially maybe, hey, if you've had one of these, hit me up in the comments. Let me know if you still got it, how it performed, stuff. I've heard great things about the old 200 back there. Already cleaned the tank out. I had it recorded, lost it for some reason. Don't know what was going on that day, but we're fixing to dive into this and get her ready for old fishing season. So this is something you're into, hey, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you got. If you love fishing, hit me up in the comments, comment, subscribe. And like I said, we got some more stuff coming for the EcoBoost also. But this will be a good second project. Almost forgot. What I'm gonna do is we'll do this. If you can guess how much I paid for that, I'll tag you in the top comment as being, close. Willing to bet it's gonna be hard. But if you can guess it, like I said, I'll tag you in it. Heck, I'll mention you in the next video. But let's throw these guesses out there. And then what I'll do is I'll hold out on the price until the next one. So, I'll catch you on the next one.